Okay, namaste to everyone. This is herbal tea for to remove your gastric ulcer, cancer, piles. You should drink these herbals as a tea morning and evening. This one is the protection for your body as a soldier way. It will remove your all kind of cancer disease from your inner body. You should use 2 drop put normal hot water into cup and put 2 drops of tincture and drink early in the morning and evening. It will protect your body from disease. This is body balance, royal jelly, body balance. It will remove your anxiety, depression, and clean all kind of disease, fatness, etc. So you should use this thing for your daily good purpose. This is 3 you should drink in a normal hot water. Put two spoon of drop so that you could drink as a normal tea morning and evening. It will relieve your body pain. It will clean all kind of disease from your stomach, bladder. Thank you for watching this video, and you should contact on the cell phone 9860989230. Thank you everyone. Thank you, and make your whole body healthy, wealthy, fit and fine by using these things. Thank you.